time now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Sir Barbaro, Classy Pages moving up on the outside. Mater of Honor running by the rail, moving up on the outside is Dr. Choice running alongside Don Ezekiel. Vermont Lady Zorro moving up, then followed by Live in Manila running by the rail is entry number 2 Hamza Alexis and Super Elegant. He's running at the tail of the field. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Mater of Honor running by the rail. Running on the outside, Sir Barbaro. Vermont moving up on the outside third. Classy Pages running in fourth. And Dr. Choice with the last 150 more to run. Mater of Honor fighting back on the outside is Sir Barbaro. But Mater of Honor winning this race over Sir Barbaro. Vermont took third. Close between Hamza Alexis, Live in Manila, and number 9 Classy Pages for fourth, fifth, sixth respectively.